Hey, amanye amakasi you just want to go there and live there, you know. Itebeni on. Itebeni on. Bafuna ama foreigners ahambile. GBV. Hey, itebeni on, you know. Hey man, singatshintsh amakasi sizithole sezise Thekwini indoda hayi. Ayisesenza umsebenzi nathi nabanye abantwana. Ba on. Hayi. Asibonge Durban. Asibonge Durban sanibona ukuthi ni on. Hey.
After this, then what happens after this?
Presses.
No, don't press
Okay, hi. My name is Amani Dube. We are now almost at the offices where we will be submitting our memorandum.
Yeah.
We're giving our demands, we're handing over our demands which are within the memorandum. We're giving them until Friday to respond.
So 5 days.
5 days.
Okay.
If those demands are not met or responses are not given to us, we will shut down this country. Every hub, every economical hub will be shut down. There will be no movement. G20 will not sign any deals without the people of South Africa having to say what it is that works for them. The sovereignty of this country is at stake. We are being bidded by the day, and we are putting a stop to the rand manipulation, 7 rand to the dollar. Arrest immediately the politicians that are corrupt, and we are saying there is no more time for us to sit down and be digital warmongers. We're doing it now.
Yeah. What can you say to the youth that is not here today?
I know that this is a first for our generation, but it was a first for the generation of 1976 as well.
Yeah.
And the reason why Singatembagani we can actually do anything, these old people sitting in these seats, and you're proving them right. Let's prove them wrong. We have more to ourselves than what they paint us to be. We are not useless.
Amazing.
But lezi into abafuna ungena kuzona akuzona ezela abantu abafuna ukubakhipha yabo besihamba kahle besihamba isitoro nesitoro manje base kanje isigcino yithina futhi esoswela ikuphi la bongumusa Ntuli iku-field la u-field lona umakhamu ohlangene no streets so bala center yakhona no I don't Mthombeni Hi Sipho, what's going on? I don't know. I think about Mashe.
Bado.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. So bekuyi-national shutdown namuhla, and they did announce, people did announce ukuthi today national shutdown. Sibonile lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana bewa-speculate ama-post lamaningi lasho ukuthi bantu abaphume ngetenkani la kuhlanganwa khona bayolwela live labo. So bantu base-KZN lapha eDurban bebaphume ngetenkani, guys. One thing about bantu baseThekwini, one thing about, let me not say bantu baseThekwini, let me just say bantu baseThekwini nemaphethelo. Oh yes, that sounds better, because some of them abaseThekwini, but bantu baseThekwini nemaphethelo bayishaya into yabo labantu. Uma nje kuthiwa kune-strike, kune-march, kune-shutdown, they always show up. They always show up and they shine. Sibonile bebagqwele lapha etitradini ona balula live labo. Sibonile youth bantu abaningi bebaphume ngetinkani nanoma engabe akusinamba le cool ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi size sithuke sonke ukuthi hey baphumile abantu. But guys, bantu bayasupport abantu baseThekwini nemaphethelo, bayasupport shem. I don't know nala bayaphuma baphume ngetinkani bayolela live labo. Uma nje kuthiwa nje kuna something lapha bayasupportana basekane sibabone bagqwele imigwaqo bamasha. Akufana lethi ngitindzawo be-Cape Town khona abantu guys bebayethi bayo attend leya march shutdown. Uma bafika abantu la kufanele bamithe khona, akunabantu, akunamuntu. Abantu base-Cape Town bahlale etindlini, they don't care. People are keyboard warriors, bakhona kukhuluma kuma-keyboard, batype basho ukuthi kufuna siyo-strike, into lesona siyifuna, ama-foreigners awahambi, i-GBV ayiphele. But when it's time for i-movement, when it's time ukuthi phuma endlini uhambe uyojoyina abantu labamashako, bantu abahambi bantu abahambi. The first guy was even saying ukuthi we are all proud ngebantu baseThekwini nemaphethelo, proud guys ngabo, because they always shine and they always show up. They always show up. Uze washo nje ukuthi uyafisa ukuthi ngathi ngabe bekahlala khona, because bantu balaphana ave bamasha, ave bayisukumela into yabo. So sibonile lethi ngetenzawo, some people are complaining ukuthi bantu abakafiki, bantu bangekho, bekungana kuvisisana, bekungana albambana, bekungana memorandum le correct nje. Abantu abaningi bebakhala, but lapha eThekwini guys sibonile ukuthi bayishayile into yabo. And if you were there, ciao, we see you. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.